Hello, my people. My name is Femi Ajakaye, your Yoruba teacher. As I promised you that I'm going to teach you Yoruba language in this channel. Today, I'm going to start from Yoruba alphabet, which is A, B, D, A, F, E, G, B, from the beginning to the end. I want us to know something. In Yoruba language, we have 25 alphabets. We have 25 alphabets in Yoruba language, which is A, B, D, A, F, E, G, B, E, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, T, U, W, Y. While in English language, they have 27 alphabets. As we all know that our alphabets were originated from English alphabets. In Yoruba language, we have some alphabets that are not in English alphabet. We have E, we have B, we have Sh, we have O. We have E, we have B, we have O, we have Sh. These four alphabets are not in English alphabet. Although they may look alike, but if you can check it very well, we will discover that they are not the same. Now, let me start analyzing the Yoruba alphabet. Firstly, we are going to start from A. A. We pronounce this one as A. 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 The second one is B. B. As in B. 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 We call it B. 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 Check my mouth. B. 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 We call it B. Now, the next one we have D. 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 Something like D. 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 We call it D. 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 The next one is A. 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 It sounds like the first alphabet in English language, which is A. Another one we have E. 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 The next one we have Fi. 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 We have Fi. The next one we have Gi. 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 The next one we have B. Let's try to analyze this B. This B contains two alphabets. Why? It is just because when you pronounce B, 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 and try to check how it sounds vividly, you will discover that in this same alphabet we have two sounds. As you pronounce it, you will discover that you can hear B and G. B and G. So the combination of that B and B, the combination of that G and B gave us this B. 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 E. E. Like something like E in something like this in English alphabet. Something like this E, but in Yoruba we call it A. We call this one E. E. In English language they call it I. The same I in English alphabet, in Yoruba alphabet we call it E. E. The next one is E. E. This E, can you see it that in English language they call it H. They call it H in English language. The next one is G. G. But in this G in English language they call it J. But in Yoruba language you call it G. The next one is K. In English language they call it K. The next one is Li. Li. In English language they call it L. The next one is Me. 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 In English language they call it M. The next one is Ni. 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 The next one is O. 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 The same pronunciation with the way they call it in English language. O. 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 Now the next one is O. O. This one doesn't exist in English alphabets. The next one is P. 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 P in English language. So in Yoruba language we call it P. The next one is Ri. 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 Which they call R in English language. The next one is C. C. Which is S in English language. The next one is She. She. Now the next one is T. 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 The next one is U. U. U, which is you in English language. The next one is we. The last one is yi, which is y in English language. We have a, b, d, e, f, g, b, e, g, k, l, m, n, o, p, r, s, sh, t, u, w, y. Now, a, b, d, e, f, g, b, e, g, k, l, m, n, o, p, r, s, sh, t, u, w, y. Wow. You are welcome back from the first episode of Yoruba language class. Hope you enjoyed the class. By the grace of God, in the next episode we are going to start from how to construct Yoruba words with those alphabets that we have learned. Thank you very much for watching us. Thank you very much for learning. Thank you very much. If you have any comment, if you have anything that you want to tell your teacher, message me. Please message me. Don't forget to like our post. Don't forget to like our videos. Share our post with your friends and drop your comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make it go viral. Let Yoruba language reign. Let it go viral. Thank you very much.